Kawasaki has addressed these issues in the Z900 SE variant that was revealed recently. Kawasaki UK has now unveiled a new version of its Z900 naked roadster motorcycle called the Z900 SE. The latest high-spec variant of the Japanese marque sporty Untitled naked aims to improve the base model's performance. The new member of the Z family benefits from hardware upgrades over the standard model, granting it improved performance. A quick glance confirms the edgier Sugumi-inspired styling with the SE's low-position LED headlight and upswept tail giving it a lower, more crouched appearance. Other details like compact, harder shrouds, cowlings, and contrasting paint accents add a more aggressive vibe that's distinct from Kawasaki's other super naked Z models. Even the LED taillight lights up in a Z pattern. The addition of an upgraded brake package and higher-grade suspension components is where the SE adds performance benefits, however. Up front, the still 41mm upside-down fork is now fully adjustable, allowing for easy compression and ribbon tweaks as well as stepless adjustable preload that can also be fine-tuned to your liking. The outer fork tubes on the SE are gold-colored as well, for a distinct look that also happens to match the spring on that new Öhlins rear shock. The unit in question is an aluminum body Öhlins S46 shock that Kawasaki says will contribute to an overall plusher feel. A remote preload adjuster knob lets you dial in quicker changes to the suspension settings without tools. The shock also has adjustable preload and ribbon damping. Both the front and rear suspension components get improved settings that Kawi claims will result in a more supple ride quality. As for the brake swap on the new SE, you'll find dual Brembo 300mm discs now clamped by the same M4.32 radial mount monobloc calipers seen on the ZH2 model, with a radial pump master cylinder and stainless steel lines to ensure optimal power transfer from the lever. Those improvements don't add any power but they do increase the weight of the SE by a hair, as it weighs in at a claimed 469.7 pounds, a mere 0.2 pound more than the base model. Uprated components like these don't come cheap though, and the SE is priced accordingly, with an MSRP of $10,699, that's $1,600 over the base Z900 ABS model. The newest SE will only be available in one color, metallic spark black mixed with candy lime green.